going to do a crucifix off what I call a hip glide position. The hip glide position is placing my hip bone against his hip bone. As such, both my knees are off the ground, but I'm putting pressure with my hip against his hip with my legs. I'm not committing myself to putting my arm here where you can grab it. So arm's pretty much here. Now what's going to happen is that was going to be tucked in a little bit tighter. So what I need to do is I need to pop this elbow up so I can put my hook in to set up the crucifix. So I'm going to take my right knee and just kind of hit the inside of his arm, just enough where I can see here. Now all I'm going to do now is drive my heel towards my knee to hook that position. Now his arm's not going to be able to get out. It's done. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow through with bringing the heel back and trapping the arm onto a figure 4 position. Okay, figure 4 position. My knees on the ground. Now my right hand can go inside, and then I'm going to do an inside wrist hook. I'm going to just pull his arm tight to his body. Now I'm going to roll to my shoulder, my right shoulder next to his hand. I'm not going to try to go that way because he has too much resistance for me. So the secret of this technique is just to roll on my shoulder really quickly and pull him right toward me. Okay? To know you have this position right is to make sure that my foot is pointing the same direction as his feet. I don't want to be this. This is wrong. He'll get his arm out every time. So my foot has to be pointing towards his feet, and I have the figure 4 position. He kind of squeeze my legs together, he can't get his arm out. This hand is automatically just going to cup the shoulder, keep him from scooting forward, okay, keep him tight. And now I'm going to set up my position. Since we don't have a gi, if I had a gi, I would simply just go for the collar choke. But since we have no gi, I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to snake it underneath his throat and grab my wrist. Okay, and all I'm going to do now, once I grab the wrist, I'm going to just bring my elbow back until he taps. So I'm going to I'm choking and putting pressure on his throat, his larynx. So once again, snake in through, grab the wrist, my own wrist that's around the shoulder. And all I'm going to do is look over my shoulder and just pull my elbow back as I'm pulling my arm back and goes for the choke. Once again, this position here, hip glide position. I'm going to take my right knee, I'm going to kick the back of his triceps to pop the elbow out, boom. Okay, now that I can see it, I'm going to place my left heel right next to my knee so he can't pull his arm away, it's a done deal. Now I'm just going to kick my leg back, figure forward, drop my knee to the ground. Still here, he's not going anywhere. Take my right hand, grab the wrist, pull in towards his chest, and you automatically just roll over my shoulder using my left foot as a little push platform. And automatically hug the shoulder, okay? Since we don't have a gi, I'm about to finish with no gi, so I'm gonna take my right hand, my left hand, go underneath his neck, make sure it's underneath his throat, very important. If it's on his nose, it's not gonna work. Go right underneath the throat. Once I have my hand against the throat, I grab my own wrist, and all I'm gonna do is just bring my left arm back as I'm pulling, stretching, like I'm just stretching. I'm stretching my shoulders, everything's stretching for the choke, okay? You got it? Good.